In this video, I will be using Chocolatey to package and install 7-zip. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with 7-zip executable installation file, and for that I will use the link that I have here. I will click on it, and it brings me to the 7-zip download page. And here I will be downloading the 64-bit Windows installer, so I will click on the download link right here. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this file called template. Basically, this is a NuKit package, and I will be using this template to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on the file, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And here we have the NuKit package and also the 7-zip executable file. And I will be packaging the executable file into my Chocolatey package. So for that, let's first open the NuGet package. It opens up with a NuGet package explorer. I will right click on tools folder, then I will click on add existing file. Then I will go to my downloads folder and select the executable for 7-zip installation. And as you can see, the file appeared here. And now let's double click on Chocolatey install script. Let's click on edit and let's go back to the GitHub page, because here I have this PowerShell snippet that I will be using to execute a 7-zip installation. And the script finds the executable installation file inside of the package. Then it will execute the installation, and after that it will remove the executable installation file from the computer. So let's copy the snippet by clicking on the button right here. Then let's go back to the package. Let's insert the script, and for the script we need to provide few values. First, we need to provide a installation executable file name for the child path. And for that I will go to my downloads folder, I will right click on the executable, I will select rename, then I will select the full name to include the extension because the extension is important, and I will copy the name. I will minimize my downloads folder and I will insert my value right here. Then for the package name, I will enter 7-zip, and for that file type we need to enter the .exe because this is an executable file. And now we need to provide silent switches because we want our Chocolatey package to execute 7-zip installation silently. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switch that I will be using. I will click on the button right here to copy the value. Go back to my package, insert the value here, and that's it with the script. Now we can save it, go back, and now I need to provide a bit of information about my package right here. So I'll click on this edit button. For the ID, I will enter 7-zip. Then for the version number, I think it's 2301. I will leave let's do automation for the author, and for the description, let's say 7-zip installation file package. And that's basically it. Let's save our entries, and we have our package. Now we need to save it by going to File, Save As, and I will save it inside of my Downloads folder. And I will be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository. So I'll click on the Save button. If I go to my Downloads folder, here we can see our Chocolatey package. And now before executing the installation, I will go to my control panel to show you that currently I don't have 7-zip installed. Now let's open terminal application with administrative privileges and let's install the package. So to install the package, I will type choco install 7-zip, and then because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide the Chocolatey repository location. In my case, it's my D drive, and then downloads folder. And I will also add -y. And let's press enter. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I right click here and then refresh the list, we can see 7-zip package in our list. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.